Guys, in this tutorial, we will learn how to handle class cast exception. Class cast exception occurs when you try to cast an object of a subclass which it is not an instance of. For simplicity, when you try to convert a string into an integer and you are not properly using the right method. So let's start. Object string is equal to 1. You can see due to these two inverted commas, it is more related with string than with integer. So I will write int integer is equal to int string. Now I will run the program, check out the result. Okay, you can see it is giving class cast exception saying the string cannot be casted to an integer. So how to handle this? You have to first convert the string, this string, you have to convert this one from an object type to string type. String str1 is equal to string. After that I will write int integer is equal to integer dot parse int str1. This is the default method for converting a string data type into an integer data type. So now I will print out the result. System.out.println integer. Sorry. Now I will run the program and check out the result. So you can see it is printing what was expected, 1 and 1. Now there is another way to handle this type of exception, which is the same method we have used in the last 2 or 3 tutorials. What I will do, I will clear everything from here and write integer is equal to int string. I will take this thing into try body and use catch class cast exception space e system.out.println please properly convert string into an integer. Now we will run the program and check out the result. Okay, you can see it is printing what was expected. So when an exception occurs, it goes into the catch body and print out this statement. So this is all for now for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel.